Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram followers. It's a quick and easy process, so just make sure to follow each step to get it right. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, now let's dive right in. Before we start, head to your App Store or Play Store for Android. Search for Instagram and ensure there are no pending updates. If there are, update the app first. Now, open the Instagram app and go to the profile of the account you want to apply this to. Here, you can see the followers and followings list. To hide this list, go to your own profile by tapping the bottom right corner. Then, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. In the menu, find and tap on Settings. Now, tap on Account. Select Switch to Personal Account and confirm the switch. Wait for a few seconds for the switch to complete. Now, go back to the Privacy section. Tap Private Account and confirm the switch to a private account. Your followers and followings list is now hidden. Let's check by going back to the account you were checking before. Reload the page and you'll notice it's now a private account. If you try to access the followers or followings list, you'll see they are hidden. Keep in mind that if you want to hide your followers and followings from everyone, there's currently no way to do that on Instagram. The settings provided in this tutorial hide them from non-followers. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your Instagram followers and followings list. If you have any question or need more guidance, drop them in the comment section below. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.